Like me, remove your scars at home. Let's go. Step 1. A spoonful of aloe vera gel. A teaspoon of olive oil. A teaspoon of coconut oil. Mix well. Ready to use. Apply on the skin by hand or cotton. Aloe vera has antioxidant properties and vitamins E, A and C are great for the skin and collagen production. Olive oil, due to its vitamin K and moisturizing properties, removes scars. Great, now wait 20 minutes and rinse with water. Do this daily. Your scars will heal very soon. This channel is for your beauty. So subscribe to your channel. I suggest you watch this video. I will definitely read and respond to your comments. We are human with any race.